Multiplication of numbers in order basis. Now, there are two things you have to keep in mind here before you start multiplication in order basis. The first one is that the highest number you can find in an highest digit in any base is always x minus 1, which means if I'm having a number in base 6, the highest number I can find in that number, highest digit, is 6 minus 1, which equals to 5. So it's not possible for you to see 6 in a base because base 6 number starts from 0 and ends at 5. You can see my video on introduction to number bases for a better understanding of that. Then the second point is that each unit in any number base represents the corresponding base. What I'm saying is, if I have a number in base 10, let's assume I have 24 in base 10. Now, this is power of this is 0, here is 1, sorry. Here is 1. What this means here is 10 to the power of 0, and this means 10 to the power of 1. That's what you use for power expansion. But if you were to be a base 6 number now, this same 24, 0, 1, what this means here is 6 to the power of 0, and this means 6 to the power of 1. So when we are borrowing or we are adding or we are doing whatever, we have to keep in mind that a unit in a base 6 number is 6. If it's base 5, a unit is going to be equal to 5. So please keep that in mind as we go through the first example. So now the first example I'll be doing is 405 base 6 multiplied by 15 base 6. So here is it, 405, then I have 15, both of them in base 6 multiply. So now, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, but then 25 is greater than 6. So what we do is to look, how many times can 6 go in 25? That's 4, because 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, remaining 1. So we write this one and keep our 4 here. Carry our 4 here. So now, 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 plus 4, we have 4. We can write it. 4 is less than 6. So now we have 5 multiplied by 4 again, which is equal to 20. 20 is greater than 6. So we look for how many times 6 can go in 20, which is 3, because 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, remaining 2. So we write this 2. And since there is no other number here again, we write 3. So now to the next stage. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. We can write that because 5 is less than 6, and that's okay. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. We can write that. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Then again, 4 is less than 6. So now what we do here is to add them together. Now you have to be conscious of those rules again. We have 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is greater than 6. We can't write 9. Don't forget, you can't see 9 in a base 6 number. So 9 is greater than 6. How many times can 6 go in 9? We have 1, remaining 3. Because 6 times 1 is 6. So we write our 3 and keep our 1 here. So again, 2 plus 0 is 2, plus the 1 we've carried over, that's 3. So now we have 3 plus 4, which is 7. 7 is greater than 6, so we can't write that. How many times can 7 go in? Can 6 go in 7? We have 1 remainder 1. So we write our 1. And since there's no other number here to the 3, we write our remaining. So the answer is 11331 in base 6. There's another method to do this, which is going to be by conversion from base 10 before you do it again. I'm going to do that in another video. But let's quickly try our hands on another example to make it clearer. So I'm going to do 324, sorry, multiplied by 1, 2, that's 12, in base 5. Let me try writing this as a subscript, but please be careful. That's what I'm saying, so that you don't treat it as a number. Okay, maybe I should change the color, but you know you will not have those change of colors in your notebooks. So please be careful. This is the number base. So here is it. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. 8 is greater than 5. So how many times can 5 go in 8? That's 1, remaining 3. We write the 3 and bring the 1 here. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus the 1 here. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 1 here is 5. Now 5 equals to 5. And the highest number we can see in a base 5 number is 4. So what do? How many times can 5 go in 5? That's 1, remaining 0. So we write the 0 and keep the 1 here. So we write the 1 here. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. We already have 1 here. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Then again, 7 is greater than 5. So how many times can 5 go in 7? We have 1, remaining 2. So we write our 2. And since there's no other number to multiply here, we carry the 1 over here, 1. So next stage, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 4 is less than 5, so we are free to write that. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 is less than 5, we can write that. 1 multiplied by 3, yes, again, 3. So what do? We add them together. So I have, let's add, this is 3, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4, all less than 5. So 4, 4, 4, 3 in base 5. That's the answer. So you can try this on your own and drop your answers in the comment section. I'll tell you if you are right or wrong. 144 multiplied by 5 in base 7. Then you can also try 1011 multiplied by 101 in base 2. If this video has helped you, share with your friends, like my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel for a more organized playlist, and watch out for more videos. Thank you.